Namaste, welcome to my channel. So this is Xbox Series X controller and my left joystick is drifting. I bought the potentiometer which cost me around like 1 or 200 rupees. It is exactly like that. And then I'm trying to fix this. I don't have previous experience to do this, but I'll try. And I'll try to show you if I will be able to fix it or not. Please stay tuned. Let's do it. This is the Xbox rechargeable lithium ion battery, and I think in 6 months it got fucked up. The charge doesn't. So this is how it's placed, and this is how it's like that. This is the battery, and I tried to repair it, but this battery, internal battery, lithium ion battery, is not available. So I'm just looking for it. If once I get, I'll try to fix this as well. And it's very expensive, you know. Nepal ma 4,000, 100 dirhams. This is very expensive thing, like 3,700 rupees. So right now I'm using this one with this is from IKEA Ladda 2450. Let's see. This is negative and this is positive here, like that. So you just open your browser and go to gamepad tester, or you can just search how to test the gamepad or Xbox controller online. Then you will get this website in the first search. Now I have already connected my Xbox, and you can see the drift. If you can see the right one, oh sorry, the left one. See, it's moving without I am touching. Left one is okay. See, it comes back and doesn't move. The left one is still moving. You can see I'm not touching it. See down, it gets stuck at down. See, it doesn't go back. See. So this is from the GameSir T4 Pro, which I replaced it somewhere in Bisal Bazaar. And let's see if the Xbox has the same as the GameSir T4 Pro. I'm sure it should be the same. And if I compare the one I bought from AliExpress, I got these from AliExpress. So I have got the peak also. What do you call that? I don't know, I forgot. So these are for I have got the extra joysticks also. I don't know if I have to replace it because it might not fit. And if you see this, it's exactly the same. Exactly, only the color is the difference. This is tough. You see, it's brand new. It looks brand new. You can see it's brand new. I bought it for like 200 dirhams, which is 8,000 rupees, including the battery is 100 plus. So like 14,000 rupees for this, Nepali rupees. And this shit happens, man. It's horrible. This consumer market, they know how to get our money. So they could have placed the hall sensor, you know, magnetic, which never, maybe almost never. I hope. So there is one screw here in the center. I'll use my heat gun to remove this and remove the screw. And I have to remove this one. And you can see this is very tough, so you just have to break it up. You can see the lock, 1 2 3 4 4 5 6 7 locks are there inside. So bro, it's not easy. My god, come on Xbox, you are just fucking around, making shit doesn't even last a year. the sticker, and there is a screw in the center behind the battery compartment. The proprietary screw, which has got a small protrusion in the center, which makes it impossible for any conventional screwdriver to remove it. That's why I have to. I somehow I managed to open up all the screws, and what I did is I just used my Dremel to make it minus for the next repair. You can see I'm using the Dremel here to cut open the screw using the minus. So with much difficulty, I managed to open the covers up, and then I went inside. I just took a picture so that I will, and also I tried to clean. There was some white stuff like kind of fungus, and then using my isopropyl alcohol. After cleaning it up, I just opened the top motherboard, which is attached with some pins in the center. Before that, I opened up the motor, which is quite straightforward. And then this is the view. You can see the only wires I desoldered was the black on the right. Actually, it's not on the left. The those two black thin black wires on the right side of the motherboard. Just to take the motherboard out, you have to remove that. And I did all the possible things. I tried, but I couldn't remove the potentiometer from the motherboard because there is like around 12, 13, 14, 14 pins. Actually, 14 pins, not 12. No matter how much you do the desoldering using the pump, there is something left behind which is stuck. So I had to break everything, and then part by part I just use my iron and then soldering iron, and then I finally managed to remove it, and I'll show you how I managed to fix the other one. So with much difficulty I managed to remove these things. I had to break it apart bits by pieces, and then I pulled it out by soldering. Desoldering prompt doesn't work. It's very difficult. Now I'm going to use one of those. Oh, so this is the one I removed it from the Xbox controller, which is fucked up. See, it gets stuck. It gets stuck, and then the new one, the brand new, which I ordered from AliExpress, it's fine. I'll just use this one, and then I'll check if it works. If it doesn't work, I will not try to fix it again. I'll just bring it to my friend who is a technician. So let's see if I can. Here you can see I'm just simply trying to clear the solders which will block the pin of the new potentiometer which I'm going to insert it, and also I just poked it with the SIM ejector pin. This is the new one. So it's not exactly the same, but this looks better, which is which I was. Let's see. I hope I haven't fucked up the board because I have applied a lot of heat to remove it. So let's try, and yeah, I can. I could. So let's see. Yeah, it works. I'll just solder it, and then I will try to. I hope it will get fit here. Let me try it first. So here you can see I'm just trying to flux the points of the pins, and then I just put some soldering wire and soldered all the 14 pins and just cleaned it off. And then the second most difficult part was to install the motor.
I don't know what happened. It got stuck and then it's not going inside. So I just used my iron to a little bit melt the plastic which was holding the motor to go inside, and then after that I managed to push the motor inside, and everything was fine. I just screwed everything, put those two black right side those wires on its own place, referring to the picture I had taken of the whole thing before I disassembled those, and I managed to get it back.
सो मैले अब यो फोटो हेरेर यो ग्रे कलरको चाहिँ वानमा हुन्छ अनि सिआर थ्रीतिर चाहिँ कालो हुन्छ। लास्ट मैले यो मोटर बल्ल 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 त्यो अलिकति त्यो आइरनले प्लास्टिक पग्लाएर छिराइदिएँ। गाह्रो लास्टै गाह्रो रहेछ होइन। अब यसलाई चाहिँ कसरी अब यो यसले चेपेरै गर्नुपर्ने भयो।
So that's the only two wires that I desoldered from the motherboard because I had to remove it to install the potentiometer, and I mean remove and install the new potentiometer. The one which has got a white what we call that white collar in the wire, the thin wire, it goes on the top, and you just need to take a picture if you just are confused how you will do the installing. That's
Fix it. Let's fix it. So these are the two screws for the motherboard. UGG Star Talks.
Yeah, here you can see I just screwed everything back, and then I also used the Dremel to make the screw minus because the proprietary screw driver is difficult to find, and I hope that is very useful for me in the future if I have to remove it again. And after fixing everything, I just tried to check in my mobile phone connecting the Xbox controller if it works or not.
Just trying to check. It's already connected. You can see. Yeah. Now I'll show you. The screen is recording. Also, I'm showing you from the screen. I'm very scared. Oh shit. I hope it's fine, but this is a little bit of the axis, but it's not moving. It's not moving. That means the dead zone can be fixed. So I'm just trying to test my controller, which I just fixed myself. This one was drifting, which I showed already before, and now it is not. Now it's just perfect. I'll just try to make it a little bit big, and then I'll just try to show you. It's not drifting anymore. Before, if I press like that, it keeps on going. That's all I wondered. So this is Dying Light, by the way. Very nice game. See, it's not drifting at all. Perfect. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Try to fix your things by your own.